Hey guys, no rain last night and it's a good sunny day today. Look at that blue sky. Maybe it'll dry out a little bit today. Look at there, we got a tall wall in the back there. Is that the height of I think that's the height of the beam. The beam will go on top of that. Fairly sure. Beam will go on top of that. So that, I think that's the height. Maybe one more. I'm not sure of that yet. And maybe one more. I had to go up there and measure. And I would tell you. I go up there and measure and I will tell you. I think it's one more. We got one more in the beam. And then lining it all up. And then we'll put forms in for the columns. In between each little wall section, they'll be formed up on the columns there. And they'll be mixing a lot of mortar today, all day. And they're moving dirt. Yeah, I got a lot of dirt to move up front. And there's some there, and there's some there if they need it. But I don't think they'll go get it. I'm gonna buy one more truckload of dirt. I think one more truckload will be enough. Let's bring it up where we need it. Getting close. We're getting close. Anyway, guys, I'll pause it right, China, and we will come back a little bit later. Give you a little bit more update when Betty gets here. Yeah, we'll wait for her to get here. She's gonna set some new rules. She done told me. Alright, I'm gonna stop it and we'll talk to you just shortly. Hey guys, back again. Walk over this way. Somebody told me how I would take some sand and throw in these mud holes. Hey.
Punta nga tali mo rin kumakan ng 9mm karne.
Hey. Put some sand in those.
Huh?
Put some sand in that mud hole.
Yeah.
So you can walk.
Yeah.
Huh?
Alright, okay. Masalam ng balas itong. Dito ka isang darat na bang baba. Darat na yung tagay na.
I don't like it. Say something about it later. Should be like that. There. We all good here. I'm gonna pour this foundation or pour this floor right here today, and then we'll do that one and that one and that one. So we're putting a layer of sand down, cutting rebar, then we'll tie 2 things of rebar, tie squared up rebar in there, and then they'll manually pour it and manually float it. And that's how it's done in the Philippines. Look who's here. Ah, nya, nya, nya. Two more. 3 more. 3 more. Three more. Did you bring the rain? You bring the rain?
Rain?
You bring the rain with you?
Rain?
Rain!
No!
Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. Ay, sabab! Hanggang Sabado pa naman, libre. Merienda.
Hey guys, that's it for today. I'll show you the slab tomorrow.